Okay, good morning class 2. So in today's lesson we're gonna learn something about something about corners and sides. So what are corners and what is called sides? So in this video there are given three diagrams. One is triangle, one is square, and another one is circle. So based on the diagrams we can find out there are how many sides and how many corners are there in the each diagram. So let's start with this triangle. Okay, so if we consider this triangle, in this triangle we have how many corners? We have three corners. So this one is your first corner, this one is your second, and this one is your third corner. So we have three corners and what are called sides. So these are your some of the sides. Okay, so how many sides are there? There are three sides. So will write here three corners and three sides. Likewise, we have another diagram over here. So this is a square shaped diagram. So you need to find out how many sides and how many corners are there. So the first one will count the corners first. Okay, so first is this is your first corner, and this will be your second corner, third, and fourth. So we have total number of 4 corners. And how many sides? 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the total number. So the next diagram we have here is a circle. So by looking at this, there is no corners or there is no sides. So 0 sides and 0 corners. Okay, so let's solve some of the questions related to that. Okay, so question number 1, a triangle has a 4 corner. So as you can see at the right hand side I have drawn the diagram over here. So if it is true, you should tick mark in the true box. Okay, you have to check this box, or if it is false you have to check it here. Okay, whichever it is true. So if the triangle has 4 corners, you have to mark the true, whether it is true or false. Likewise, you have to choose the question number 2. The square has 4 sides. So this is the diagram for square. So as you can see and count how many sides are there, whether it is true or false. And the question number 3, the rectangle has 4 sides, and you have to choose whether it is true or false. Okay, next question. Question number 4, a circle has 3 corners. So is it true or false? You have to choose accordingly. And 5, a triangle has 4 sides. So as you can see in the diagram itself, you can use your brain and you have to find it out how many sides are there in the triangle. So accordingly you have to choose either it is true or false. You have to check any of this, either of this box. Okay, you need to solve this question by today itself. Okay, thank you.